Uyghur Muslims in China. Nearly 3 million Uyghur Muslims, your brothers and sisters, for the last 3 or 4 years have been incarcerated. Why? Just because they are Muslim. No other reason. They have a lihya, they have a name Muhammad, she wears a hijab, they go for Hajj, they fast. All of these things have made the state go against them because they say we are a communist state. You cannot practice your religion in a communist state. Your religion is the state. Take Islam out. And because of this, they have set up 150 rehabilitation camps. Each camp is the size of a football stadium, where our innocent brothers and sisters are being detained, and they are being reprogrammed, reconditioned to leave everything that is linked to the deen of Islam. I say, where is the democracy? Where is the justice in the world for the so-called people who follow democracy, or those who follow justice, and they say we are there to help the oppressed? Where are they? When 3 million Muslims in China, through no fault of their own, are being abducted. Then we move over to Kashmir, a place for the last 50 years or so has been contested, and the Indian army went in last year and they annexed the whole of Kashmir, and for the last 7-8 months nobody even knows what's taking place in Kashmir. Social media blackout. Many of the reports we have coming out that many of the main masajid, there is no Jummah khutbah, there is no call to prayer. Thousands of troops have gone in, and again this is something we see. And then we see what's taking place here in India. Over the last 3 or 4 weeks, Delhi, there's a massacre, openly going and killing Muslims. Mosques are being destroyed, and then they are showcased on social media. Saffron flags are flying high on the masajid. And this is supposed to be a country that says we are the largest democracy in the world, that we look after every person who is part and parcel and the fabric of our society, whether they are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. No, this is not the case.